We're in our 2011 Toyota Camry, and we're doing an install where we're just going to use a TB module, and we're not using a plug-in harness. I'm just going to show you all the connections, if there's anything you want to get in the car. Over here at the diagnostic plug, black wire all over by itself in the corners, the tack. Violet wire is plugged into the white wire, which is the brake signal of the vehicle. Down in the driver's kick panel harness is the door pin wire, which is blue. We're going to put a negative pulse on the door pin wire when the remote starter shuts off to turn off the auto headlamps. We're in our 2011 Toyota Camry. It's going to go over the ignition harness colors here. Black is your constant positive. Yellow is your primary ignition or ignition 1. Blue is starter 1. Directly above blue in the harness is a gray wire, starter 2. Your ignition 2 would be pink. We're going to run an antenna wire on our 2011 Camry. I'm going to start by cleaning a spot on the window. I'm going to peel the tape off the antenna, stick the antenna to the windshield. We're going to get our fingers in the headliner. We're going to tuck our antenna wire up in the headliner. You get to this point, we're going to use our Fortin plastic tool. We're going to work the antenna wire over to the door gasket. Looking at our standard install finished product, I've actually gone to the key sense wire here too with this parking light connection. Here's a horn connection. This application we don't need the horn. Down on the kick panel we have the dome light switch and the driver door unlock. I'm going to show you a picture of the finished product. The zip up. See our data link right here. And the RS4 back here. Got an operational video of our 2011 Toyota Camry. Uses the integrated OEM remote and a single button CRIMESTOPPER remote. We would lock the vehicle with our OEM remote, and we would use the OEM remote all the time when the engine is not running. This remote will not function once the vehicle is remote started. To remote start the vehicle, press and hold the CRIMESTOPPER button for 3 seconds. The vehicle will start and run for 20 minutes. When you approach the vehicle, if you try to use the OEM remote to get in, it won't unlock the doors. So you'll get up to the vehicle and you'll press the CRIMESTOPPER remote and hold it for 2 seconds. It'll unlock all of the doors to the vehicle, allowing you to access the vehicle. On this vehicle, we've provisioned to turn off our automatic headlamps when the remote starter turns off. So I'm going to turn off the remote starter. The headlight switch has been left in the auto position. When the time delay expires, the light should turn out. When this happens, you have a correct connection at the driver's door pin wire. there you have it.